Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change font to Times New Roman and 12 points in Microsoft Word mobile version. So if you don't have a Microsoft mobile version, you can try to download it. There are some Microsoft a application on Play Store that you can try. And we talk about Microsoft Word. Tap Microsoft Word, edit documents, and now you can try to update if you already installed. For you that already updated, please open it. Or for the first if this is your first time use Microsoft Word a mobile version, before you open the app, before you install, try to create new Microsoft account on your PC or your laptop. So if you use this Microsoft account, you can enjoy all the services that provided by Microsoft Office app. So now you can try to open a document or create new document. And here, for example, in order to change the font to Times New Roman, you can block the paragraph or block the word or sentences. And here you can tap edit. Here there is an arrow, you can break it down if you tap it. And here we go, there is the first option is how you can change your font. You can tap. So on my device by default is a Century Gothic. Now you can try to search font that you want. Some fonts you need to download if you want to use it. There is a cloud icon. It means you have to download it first before you use it. So let's try to search the Times New Roman. Here we go. This one, Times New Roman. You don't need to download because there is no cloud icon. The Times New Roman is already by default on this app. Just tap Times New Roman now. As you can see, the font style is changed. And also you can change into 12 points or the font size by tap on this number. By default is 10, but you can upsize into the 12 one. The minimum is 8, the maximum font size is a 72. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and circle the text button below. See you in the next video.